What's up everyone, welcome back to GOO Computer Tutorials. Here, as we discussed about our introduction to HTML in a previous lesson, where we discussed about definition of HTML, the importance and laws of HTML, and where we use HTML. So in this video now, we are going to deeply understand the general syntax or blueprint of HTML document or program. So please, if you are new here, I advise you that you have to make subscribe, like, share, and if you have any question, idea, you can write in the comment section. We will answer you instantaneously. So without delaying, let me show you at least three the most common application softwares that you can use to develop or implement HTML document or program. So they are the most common three application softwares you can use when you develop your HTML application. You see, this is what you call Notepad. This Notepad is essential application software that you can use when you create HTML document. See how it looks like when you open it. Yeah, it looks like this. You can use this blank page to write your HTML document. So I will show you how you can use it. Also, this called HTML Pad 2025. This is a new version of HTML Pad. Also, it's better to use this application when you create HTML document. Yeah, you see how it looks like when you open it, right? This is what you call HTML Pad. You can also use this Visual Studio Code to implement your HTML program, but not only HTML but also other different computer programming languages. You see here they show you that you can select a language. Here you can select a language, and you see there are different languages that can be written by using this software application, right? HTML, Cascading Style Sheet, Java, and others. Also you see C#, C++, and other languages. So for us, we are going to deal with HTML. You can find it by using this search tab and then click here now, right? You see, now we can write our HTML program. So these are the most common application softwares that you can use when you develop your HTML programs. Yeah, let us now start with our lesson, which is the syntax of HTML document or program. As you see on this welcome interface of HTML Pad 2025, this is the general syntax of HTML page or document. So the first keyword is doct type, then HTML. This is the declaration that shows that this document is a HTML. Yeah, this doct type HTML, it shows us that we're going to deal with HTML language, right? So this second element, which is HTML, is the element, it's like the root of HTML program. So you have to start with this HTML element, and then this head it's like first a part of HTML document, because HTML document consists by two main parts, which is head and the body. So in the head contains the title of our document. You see, in our head we have title, and this title element, it open our title, and this also element end our title, and make sure that you end up by this slash, right? This slash looked here, right? Yeah. Then if you finish it to create your title, you have now to end also your head, as you see. And then you can now start your document by opening body, and if you finish it, you also end your body, and our document must end with also HTML element, right? So this is the general syntax of HTML document. So this is the simple explanation of HTML syntax. As I already said, this doctor type element is the element that's creation of the HTML document. It defines that this document is a HTML, right? Then this HTML element is the root element of HTML page. So this open head element contains meta information about the HTML page. If we say meta information is like the basic or main title of the HTML page. Also, this title, as you see, it holds the title of our document. It specifies the title for HTML page. This is the end of our head. As you see, this head element is the end of our head part, right? End of our head part. Now this is open body element. This body element defines that body of document and its container of all visible content. Yeah, this body element, it shows the body of our document and is the container of all visible content, because whatever you write in this body will be displayed, right? And then this is the end of our body, and also this is the end of our HTML. So you have now to master this syntax of HTML, because you can't develop HTML program without understand this syntax of HTML program. So let us do like two simple examples to master this HTML language.